Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. So today I am excited to come to you right before I go and work out a little bit, but I am going to be showing you a video that I actually filmed a couple of days ago. When you actually see it, I want you to have an open mind in regards to the color. Okay, just keep that in mind. Have an open mind. Say it with me, have an open mind. The wig that I'm going to be reviewing is made by Bobbi, and she's a beautiful wig. I just think the color may shock some of you, but don't let that deter you from actually seeing the beauty of the wig. So if you're interested, I want you to stick around. I'll be back shortly. The wig that I am going to be reviewing for you is the Stephanie that's located in the bottom corner here. We're going to talk about her. She is made with premium synthetic hair. It is made with that MEDIFRESH cap. There we go again, and I love the MEDIFRESH cap. I will be reviewing for you the M1053 Stephanie, and the color that I'm going to be reviewing is the DYAT4/56. And this is the color right here, you guys. So I'll be channeling, is it Cruella de Vil? But I think this wig is gorgeous, so we're going to see how she looks. Bobbi does not have any combs in this particular wig. However, she has provided the adjustable band that you see here at the nape of the wig. The cap is made, the MEDIFRESH cap. It's stretchable. It is very breathable. As indicated in some of my previous videos. So we're gonna go ahead, put her on, and we'll be back. So we're gonna try her on and see what she looks like. Let's look at the color up close. It is DYAT4/56. I totally screwed that up. Let me do it again. The color is DYAT4/56. I had to do it justice. Okay, I normally don't wear this color. I'm loving it. So for those of you who don't like this particular color, like you wouldn't be able to go to work in it, because I do realize sometimes some colors people may feel a little apprehensive about wearing it to work. Don't worry. Bobbi offers the standard colors in this beauty, the 1Bs, the 2s. She does have those specialty colors as well, the sky blue, the sunset red. So check it out. Look at the information in the description box below. Let me do a 360 so that you can see all sides of the wig. My. I'm loving it, as you can tell. I am channeling that Cruella de Vil look, but she's sassy and she's classy. Yes. I love this wig, as you can tell. All of the information about where I bought her, how much, the cost, everything will be listed below. Thank you all for joining me for another video on Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. We'll be back with another wig review really soon. Take care, everybody.